iPhone users all know that. From iPhone 12 and iPhone 13, previous type of USB to Lightning cable has been gradually replaced by the new USB-C to Lightning cable. And this is today's product we're going to introduce. Aluminum alloy shell, original Apple C94 plug, reinforced tail design for extra durability, good cable with premium material, suitable for all kinds of USB-C charger and socket, PD fast charge, 3A high current. C94 module contains chip for battery protection, official MFI certification, various colors for your choice.